Howdy Hon, welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit, and today I am going to open if you're watching this, hopefully you've watched part one, which is the unboxing of the air fryer on our anniversary. Well, I decided to do a part two to this because this is a very necessary tool with using the air fryer. So let's break it open. And here we go. This is what is very necessary for your air fryer. This is a very important tool to have with your air fryer. Now, let's talk about why we need this tool. If you have an air fryer or you're thinking about buying an air fryer, it's very important to know that you cannot, or it is recommended that you do not use oil sprays like Pam. A couple of other companies have them, but these are not recommended for use on your air fryers or in your air fryers. Why, you say? Glad you asked. That's because the aerosol sprays of the oil can damage your baskets in your air fryer. They have chemicals in them, which probably aren't good for us to eat either, but the chemicals inside of them, when you spray them onto your basket of your air fryer, it will over time begin to wear the lining down and eat the lining off of your air fryer, and also will become very sticky to get off. Kind of reminds me of like the cookie sheet that's been used over and over again with Pam. You know how it has that brown buildup on it because nobody seems to wash it good enough just to get that oil off. Well, that can happen to your air fryer, as well as causing the lining that's on your air fryer to start peeling off. So it is advised that you buy one of these oil pumps that you can pour your own oil into so that you can spray onto your air fryer. Now, it's a good idea to have high heat oils or flash point oils because the air fryer is going to be cooking very close to your food. Let's rip this open while I'm talking. Ow. It's going to be cooking very close to your food. So if you don't have an oil that has a high flash point, it will cause your food to burn, of course. So you want to get an oil that's, you can Google or look that information up for yourselves. Yes, I can give it to you, but it's better if you look it up for yourself so you know for yourself what oils you need to use. But coconut oil really is a good one. I'll probably use a little olive oil also because I like olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. But or coconut oil, again, look it up for yourself because that's the way you're going to remember it best, right? But coconut oil and olive oil are pretty good. Here's a little funnel we have to use to pour the oil in. And this one, let's see, it's glass. I wanted the glass one so that I can see how much oil is in the container. I love the steel metal looking ones, but again, I can't see when the oil level is low, and I like to see before it gets all the way down to the bottom and I'm in the midst of cooking something. I want to know when it gets here that it's low. So this is the one I got from Amazon. I will put the link to this one in the description bar below. Now they have some really nice ones that companies make, but y'all know I'm cheap or thrifty. I'm thrifty. So I did not want to spend an arm and a leg on one of these things if I didn't have to. So I'm trying this one. This one was a decent price. So you can see it's a glass bottle. I really wanted the one that had the markings on it, and somehow I kind of got turned around in all of my searches, but it's okay. This one was so good. You can see the spray. It's metal. Up here is metal. You can see the inside of it. Here's your tube, and there's your spray there, sprayer, and then here's your nozzle on the top you just smashed down. Okay, All right. So we showed you a recipe, and I'm going to post that later, probably this weekend, of a recipe that we tried with the air fryer on our anniversary after we opened it. Today I'm going to be making purple cabbage steaks. So I'm going to use this to spray the olive oil all over my purple cabbages before I season them and put them in the air fryer. Yes, I will show you that recipe, but it won't be today because, quite frankly, I'm just hungry and I don't feel like going through all the production process of putting up a video. So I'm going to show you that, but I'm going to show you on a day where I'm not hungry and I have time to set up the whole production equipment and all to get that done. And besides, Marty is over there on his computer working, so I'll do it when we both have a good minute to show you. If he wants to, he doesn't have to. And that's it, guys. This is my oil sprayer for my air fryer. It'll be healthier because there won't be any nasty chemicals added to it to make it spray out of an aerosol can. And it'll be cheaper because I can use the oils that I already have in my pantry. With that being said, hun, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you're always free to give it a thumbs down. You do you, boo. If you haven't seen part 1, which is the unboxing of the air fryer itself on our honeymoon in Galveston, Texas, sitting on the water, I'll put the link in the iCard over here in the corner. So you're free to click on that and watch it. And we will show you some of the awesome things that we've been doing with the air fryer. It has become a very important part of our kitchen. As a matter of fact, it's up in the top 3 important things in our kitchen. All right. With that being said, hun, remember, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's the small and simple things in life that makes life worth living. Here's an Amazon gift card. You have a $20 gift card waiting to be activated. Okay. All right. Did I say it's the small and simple things in life? Thank you, Marty. My secretary is listening to me all the time. So, hun, with that being said, hun, have a great day. And we will see you soon. Bye now.